We are going to see how to make this flange coupling assembly in CATIA. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start button, then mechanical design, and then assembly design. After that, this window will be on your laptop, and then existing component, go on existing component, and then product. Then select flange coupling assembly. I'm selecting it and taking flange first, and it's taking some time to open, and now it's here. Use manipulation command to move it from one place to another place. Just move it, so when you will take next component, it will not be coincide with same component at same place. So now after that, use this fix command and fix this flange, so it's not able to move. You can see it here. Now again we are going to import second part, then again I am going to insert flange, and I have opened it. Now I have to change the direction of this flange to this side, so I am using manipulation command and rotating the component. Now use this shaft command, use this constraint command, and select the axis of both this, and just update it. Again select whole of this one flange and whole of this second flange, and they are already constrained. They are getting over constrained. Here is the black line, so no need to give constraint to this hole. Now use this command and select this surface and this surface and give diameter distance as 0 and update it. Now we are going to take next component. This is bolt. Open it, and now use this constraint command, this axis and axis of this, and update it. Again next part is this. Use this offset command to give distance between two surfaces, and it's 0. Update it. Now we are going to use symmetry. Select the bolt from here, from this tree, then symmetry, and you select the plane. I am selecting this and finishing it. Now again select bolt, this symmetry, and selecting this plane now, and finish. Now we have to insert another nut here, a bolt here. So every time we can't use symmetry in circular diagram, so import bolt again. Similarly we can fix that bolt. Not this, this is offset. I am using symmetry. This is nut, and again using symmetry option, select plane and finish it. Now next part is we are going to take bolt, nut. we will fix nut similarly like bolt. Use this constraint command and give distance between two surfaces. The distance is 0 and update it. Now selecting this nut and using the command as symmetry. Select plane, no, not that plane actually, this plane. We need to proceed again this. Finish it. We can use this nut to mirror here. Now we need to import one more nut. Same process for this nut. Offset distance is 0. And we are going to do symmetry option. We are going to use this symmetry option. And it's done. Thank you so much guys.